Inventory purchases. There are 5 transactions that happened between September 2, 2007 and August 28, 2008 that involved inventory purchases. All imported goods were subject to a 6% duty. The duty was charged on the gross invoice price per transaction. All 5 except for 1 are transactions that occur between the Energy Corporation and Livelier Incorporated. All transactions concerning the Energy Corporation and its supplier, Livelier Incorporated, are shipped as FOB shipping point. Livelier offered the credit terms 4/10. The discount period was calculated and became effective on the date of ownership. All discounts were calculated on gross invoice price. If ever there are purchase returns, Livelier will refund or credit Energy Corporation for the gross invoice price and duty and pay for the shipping fees for the returns. The shipping was done by a third-party company offering $1.8 per box, in which each box contains 200 Vigor products. The relevant standards concerning the inventory purchases of Energy Co is past due inventories. With the first transaction, the inventory was calculated by 275 units times $0.65, which is equals to $178,750, while the freight in was calculated by dividing 275,000 units divided by 200 multiplied by 1.8, which is equals to $2,475, while the customs duty was calculated by multiplying 178,750 with 6%, which is equals to 10,725, which is in total would be equal to 191,950. With the second transaction, the inventory was calculated by multiplying 613,000 units times $0.66, which is equals to 404,580, while the freight in was calculated by dividing 613,000 units divided by 200 times $1.8. The customs duty was calculated by multiplying 404,580 multiplied by 6%, which is equals to 24,275, which is in grand total 418,189 with a purchase discount of 16,183. For the third transaction, the inventory was calculated by multiplying 0.52 times 300,000, which is equals to 156,000. For the fourth transaction, the inventory was calculated by multiplying $0.67 times 190,000 units, which is equals to $134,000, while the freight in was calculated by dividing 190,000 units divided by 200 multiplied by $1.8, while the customs duty was calculated by multiplying 6% with $134, which is in total equal to 136,648 with the purchase returns of 6,700 that was calculated by multiplying 10,000 times 0.67 with a customs duty of $402. For the last and fifth transaction, the inventory was calculated by multiplying 105,000 times $0.67, which is equal to 70,350, with the freight in calculated by dividing 105,000 divided by 200 multiplied by $1.8, which is equal to $945, and the customs duty, which is equals to $70,350 multiplied by 6%, which is equal to $75,516, which is considered as an accounts payable. The cost of goods sold can be solved with the relevant data gathered from each transaction and the statement of financial position of Energy Corporation as of August 31st, 2007. By calculating the beginning inventory with $70,883 and the following 5 transactions, $191,950, $418,189, $156,000, $136,648, and $75,516, with a grand total of total goods available for sale $1,049,186, less the ending inventory calculated, which can be calculated by the counted physical ending inventory $447,008, and in transit $75,516, which is in total equal to $122,524. and this would be deducted to the total goods available for sale, with the total cost of goods sold equal to 926,662.